Hi guys, it's Josh here and welcome back to my channel again. And today is we are going to have a different kind of review. So I have here our 116 Plus smartwatch, which has also the blood pressure monitoring feature. And the other one is we have the Omron blood pressure monitoring kit. So actually guys, this is not really our 116 Plus is not really an accurate kit for you to know your blood pressure. This is just for like comparison. Alright, so I always recommend you to choose the real blood pressure kit with such as the Omron and the other blood pressure device. So now I have here the Omron device, and let's just start first. So I'm going to get the cuff and I'm going to put my arm. Right, so I already rested for 5 minutes, and I'm already ready to check my blood pressure. Okay, so I already connected this one to the plug. So let's try to test if and let's try to know or what my blood pressure is. Okay, so let's start, guys. Alright guys, so this is now the result of my blood pressure. It's 116/79. So I think that is very good, guys. Our heart rate is 92 beats per minute. So I think that's not bad. Okay, so now we're going to wear our 116 Plus smartwatch, and let's just try to check if the result is close to the real result. Again guys, I'm not really telling you to really use this smartwatch if you have any illness. This is just a comparison. Alright, so I already wear our 116 Plus smartwatch, and let's try to test it with its blood pressure feature. So let's just long press it here. Okay, and as you can see, the sensor is already lighting, so let's wait. Alright guys, so this is now the result. It's 104/80. So the result is 104/80. So it's somewhat similar, especially with the actually guys, the upper number is what we call as the systolic blood pressure, and the lower part is the diastolic blood pressure. So if we compare the diastolic, so it's almost the same. So we've got here 79 with our Omron, and then for our 116 Plus smartwatch, we've got the 80. All right, and also for the systole, so we have the 108 for our smartwatch, and then 116 for our Omron blood pressure monitoring kit. So although it's not really that accurate, but somehow we can say that somewhat it's a little accurate, guys. So I'm just testing it for curiosity's sake. All right, so if you have any questions, guys, just comment down below, and later on I will also do some testing with our smartwatch. So stay tuned on my next video. All right, so once again, this is Josh Check, and if you like this video, kindly click the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, so guys, I'll see you soon.